is Layan and welcome back sa tong channel. Today we have a new video and it is very exciting because it is another Ukay-Ukay from Thailand, guys. It's an Ukay-Ukay shoes and I want to show you guys because this one's so exciting for me. Also, we were not planning on buying this. We went to Ukay-Ukay today and we were not planning on buying this kasi wala nang may kwarta. But still, nakuha gyapon namo no. You know already in the title below, guys, that this shoes is all about these Dr. Martens shoes and Dr. Martens boots. Can we call it boots, guys? And I cannot afford buying this in, you know, original. Kay wala tay kwarta, guys. Alright, so let's move on and let's go to the video. So, I will show you guys the shoes. Okay, so these are the Dr. Martens, like that. Ayan. Dr. Martens shoes, and usually the Dr. Martens shoes worth 6,000 above or 5,000 baht above. And if you're gonna convert the 5,000 baht above in pesos, that would be, I think, almost 10,000 or 9,000 to 10,000 pesos. Okay, in here, in this website, it is 6,600 baht. So that is more than 10,000 pesos, and I cannot afford that. Kaya ano, we are, as I've said already, we are just a simple OFW na maliit din yung sahod. Ayan, guys. So this is the shoes that we found at the thrift, at the Ukay-Ukay. Ano siya, guys? Tada! Yes, this is the Dr. Martens shoes. Yes, ayan. Yes. And so, if you're gonna look closely, guys, this shoes is still in a very good condition. Yes. The leather though is rustic na. The leather. Ano na siya? Used na gid siya. But the sole is still very good. Gamay lang siya jud. Murag dili pa kayo siya used. Yes, I like. This is the sole. This is Dr. Martens Airwear. Airwear. I think this is 18. What is this, kuya? 18. Dr. Martens 1480. 1460 or 1480, I'm not sure. So this is the shoes. Yeah. This is the sole is air caution sole, oil, fat, acid, petrol, alkaline, and alkali resistant. Oh, so this is oil resistant, fat resistant, acid resistant, petrol resistant, and this is really good for working. Yes, guys. So this is the shoes, and look at this. This is size what's the many? 39 Europe. The other one of this is this one here. So these are the shoes. This is the shoes, the pair of shoes that we bought. So when you notice that this one is more tawag is more distressed leather na siya compared to the other side. The other pair is not too distressed, but this one is too distressed. The left side, or the left shoes. And also have another one here, but that is okay. That is still okay. So if you want to see me trying these shoes, so come on, I will show you the shoes right now. Come on. And then after, we will wear it with our outfit today. Okay, come on.